Good morning everybody and welcome back to day 2 of Coffee Travel Puglia, whatever this is. And the camera freaks out. So today we are going to Polignano Mare
and then to Pescaria,
which is a place where they make like fish panini and they are really big and really good, we think. And she's very happy about that. Look at this freaking road. This is like I can go and people can come. Look at this. It's so weird.
È una street. Bello.
Bello.
Welcome to Polignano, the town of Pescaria.
So we are in Polignano, you can see it back there, and this place looks crazy good for doing one thing I always have in mind. And I just flew with this bad boy right here. There is a lot of wind, but it managed to do the shot. I think the shot came out pretty good, but it's gonna be one take because it's freaking windy. I don't want to lose my drone and I don't want to draw too much attention. And we just got the focaccia barese classic right here.
Hi guys, we are here in Monachile, a place where you can see the landscape of Polignano, and
and it's freaking cool to eat this good of a pizza with this good of a landscape actually to see. So
it's very good.
Now we are down there basically in the beach, but it is so freaking windy, it's crazy. Damn. So our paninis arrived. I have a tuna and this is mozzarella and other stuff, I don't know, it's very good. And she has salmon with mozzarella and other super cool stuff, but I don't even know. Let's try and eat them. I am an expert. I finished it in 5 minutes. And look, she's struggling with her panini. She's struggling so much. How were the panini? They were super good, full of good stuff. She had even fried zucchini inside. Goodies.
Tartare of tuna and salmon.
Settimana e ricotta.
Ok,
grazie mille. And of course, don't get us wrong, like we had lunch with that panini, but we found this panzerotti.
Panzerotto with chocolate and...
She has panzerotto with ricotta and chocolate chips and pear. And I have a panzerotto with capocollo. What was in this panzerotto?
Oddio, I don't know. I don't remember.
I don't even remember what's in my panzerotto, but it's so freaking good. So.
Com'è? Cheese maybe?
Mm-hmm. Very good job, Puglia. This place is freaking good. Very good for flying, for eating. No, not for flying, not because there is so much wind. But still. And you may think we were done eating the pizza, the panini and the panzerotto, but we were missing the sweet. So of course.
Yesterday we tasted our first panzerotto,
pasticciotto,
and today we want to reply. And this is with custard and pistachio.
Yeah.
And this is the
custard
classic,
without anything
custard.
else. So we are going home from Polignano because this place is really bad for us. Beautiful place, but there is too much food to try and eat, and
too much temptation for us.
We are crazy for that kind of thing, so we gained like 5 kilos today.
Yeah, I confirm.
Like for example, we ate behind that building the panini. There we ate the pasticciotto. Here we ate the panzerotto, and there we ate the focaccia. Only within 200 meters we ate everything there is, basically. And we were supposed to go home actually, but on the way home we found this place, San Vito, with this churchyard. I don't know how it's called.
You want to fly?
Of course, because you cannot see it right now, but those arches are open. So it's a place perfect for flying, even if it's a little bit windy, but nothing too crazy here. Look how beautiful this is. And if you're wondering about it, this is my FPV backpack. I have the drones outside, very small drone backpack. And look inside. I got my Mavic Mini with the batteries down here, camera, other lens for the camera, a lot of batteries, goggles and radio. And here I have the antennas. And now I'm gonna fly right here. and we are going home, really this time. So we rested a bit and we finally came back, and we are back in Alberobello, but at night this time. And yeah, I switched to the big camera with a 50mm lens because it picks up the light just fine. Look at this, it's perfect. So we got here another street food, of course, because we gotta eat. Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay, so let's open this bad boy. It's hot. And this is called panino with bombetta. Basically, there are these pieces of, this is like ham, it's called capocollo. And inside it there is cheese with pepper, I guess. That's it? I don't remember.
Yes.
Let's try it, let's see how it goes.
Salt and pepper and cheese. It's good. Yeah.